Need to use those trees.
Huh?
So I have to set it up how it was.
Oh, accident on the X-Men set.
These are some sets we bought.
Tell them what you did.
These are some sets that we bought.
And then we made our own. Then you made your own, right?
This guy with the chainsaw in the bucket came with this whole forest. And the log chipper came with this tree right here.
And there's the chipper truck.
And this came with this. And the guy with the walkie-talkie goes on the back of this with the digger. And this bucket and this truck in the background goes
That's
to that
the
guy.
emergency truck in case they have an accident, right?
No, this guy's the driver of this, and the dynamite goes like there.
Oh, that's the dynamite truck.
And this guy goes in the back of that. And this tree came with this thing. Now I'll show you how it was in the set. Came with these two guys and this tree, and
That's the set you made,
and
right?
they see the tree, and they cut it down with the jackhammer.
Cool.
Then they put it in the back of the truck, and they just take it away.
Awesome.
And
what are these guys doing? Having a lunch break in here?
I don't know.
Ah, man! We blew up the truck! Yeah, we woke up the guys. Lego accident, Lego accident. We'll have to fix it. Uh-oh. And now, that is the end of the show, right?
Yep.
Because we gotta repair this bad boy.